Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a character from Super Monsters, and it's basically Frankenstein. His name is Frankie. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw his eyes first, and we're gonna draw the bottom of his eyes. We're gonna draw two lines like this. Just gonna give it a little bit of space. And now we're gonna go around. So just kind of like a rainbow curve right over it. Okay, and then from there we can draw the inside of the eye, so the eyeball. I'm gonna draw one. Okay, and then we're gonna draw another one. Okay, and then for the inside one, I'm gonna shade it. Okay. And then from there, let's move on to his nose, which is going to be really simple. So it's just going to be, just draw a curve right underneath there. And then for his mouth, going to draw one smile like this. And then we're going to draw another one on the bottom. The mouth is a little bit open. On the corners, we're going to draw two little lines like that. And then he's got some, I'll just draw two teeth in there. And then let me shade this in. Okay, so it looks like he's got three. Alright, so let's move on to his cheek. So right here, we can just draw two lines for the side of his face. And then we're going to draw his cheeks. We're going to come around. It's almost like a bracket. And then now we're just going to connect this to one smooth curve. Well, actually not too smooth, but get the idea. So we're going to So from here, we're gonna draw his eyebrows. So his eyebrow is pretty far up. So we're gonna draw two lines like this right over each eye. And then we're gonna continue this with a curve going down. Okay, so once we have that, now we can just kind of give this line some thickness. And so it's gonna be one continuous brow, so like a unibrow. Okay, and then from there we can kind of come up a little bit, finish off the side of his face. Okay, and then now for his hair, which is gonna be big clump. So right in the middle, we'll just draw one big clump. Then we're gonna draw another one on this side. Okay, and then we're just gonna go back and forth. And then there's gonna be one more clump coming here. And then we're gonna draw one here. Let's go back to this side. Draw one big one here. And then another one here. Okay, and then on the side here, he's got a little bit of hair. So we're gonna come two little lines like that. And then let's give him another one on the back here. Okay, and then from there, let's see. Well, he's got his scar. So we'll just draw four rectangles, and we're just gonna draw a line right through them. Okay, so that's pretty much his head. Well, we gotta finish his ear. So around his cheek, so just kind of come out. There's gonna be a line inside. Okay, so that's pretty much his head. So let's move down to the body, and we're gonna go just kind of draw a little bit of neck. And now for his clothing, so we just kind of come out. And then on each side here, I'm gonna do some zigzaggy lines because he's got a ripped sleeve. Okay, and then we're gonna come down for his body. And then his clothing here, again, it's all ripped up as well. So we're just gonna give it some zigzags again. And then let's see, in the middle, there's gonna be some detail, different color. Okay, and then after that, let's draw his arms. So right here, one big bump, one on the bottom. This is gonna be his elbow. We're gonna have it go up, and then another bump here. And then we're gonna draw his fist. So right here, curve, and that's gonna be his thumb. One line there, and now we can let's draw three fingers. So 1, 2, 3. And now to finish off the palm, we just close that. Okay, and then pretty much the same thing on this side. So we're gonna curve, elbow, up. Okay, and now for his hand, his thumb, curve, and then again, now just draw 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and the palm. All right, so let's move down to his legs, which are gonna be pretty simple. So right here in the middle, we're just going to just draw 2 lines. I'm gonna draw 2 more for the outside. And now it looks like this pant's a little bit ripped too, so we just give the same kind of zigzag line here. Okay, and then from there we'll see, let's start out this part first. We're gonna come down. I'm gonna go over and just kind of curve it, because that's gonna be his toe. And then we're just gonna draw 3 more. Curve it up. Now we'll just close that off. So again, same thing. Straight, curve it up. And then we're gonna draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Go up. And then finish off the leg. And that's it for this Frankie character from Super Monsters. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.